Hi, how you guys doing? I'm excited to have this opportunity to share this information with you.
We're going to go over the best places to invest in real estate and a little bit about the 2026 market. How does that sound?
That sounds awesome. That's exactly what they need right now.
You want to give the disclaimer?
Sure, you should know that the content presented today is for educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor, neither is he. His amazing husband, but he's not a financial advisor or an attorney. And this is not financial, legal, or tax advice. And you need to consult with a licensed professionals but before investing because all investments involve risk.
Even going outside your house.
Yeah, so let's just get into it.
So we're going to go over the market, show you exactly what you're going to learn. You're going to learn the market in Houston.
What is your next move so you can identify high potential submarkets and strategic investments so you can capitalize on the coming rebound?
Your time is today. We're going to go over the best neighborhoods and some strategies to get you some money. We're just going to make money in real estate. How does that sound? Now, here's the market cycle. You understand that there's going to be a late correction and an early recovery. So basically, it's like a 12 to 18 month window. So you want to, there's different phases we want to go into.
So rate cuts will accelerate the rebound. You need to buy distressed and motivated properties while negotiating below market value so you can maximize your initial investment.
So in quarter 1, we need to get as many houses as we can, try to accumulate as many contracts and get things done.
Yeah, you need motivated sellers so you can get below market value and get a strong entry position. It's very important.
Correct. What about the renovations?
Yeah, renovate and lock construction costs so you can boost the property value, especially the kitchens, the bathrooms, and the primary bedroom.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So then in the end, you what?
You're going to refinance or sell properties into the market recovery, targeting equity gain to realize investment returns. You get paid.
Hey, show me the
Show
money.
me the
Get
money,
paid.
baby. That's exactly where we are.
So we're going to go the geographic profit zones, for the places I like to personally invest. You can make money anywhere in Houston, anywhere.
But there are specific strategies that work best at certain times and in certain areas. So let's help you with that. You need to target zones where strong fundamentals meet market catalysts. So here's some triggers: job growth and infrastructure and rising demand. What kind of outcome does that produce?
Strong rents, low vacancy, and rising value.
We love those.
So some of the places we like to look at are like the Heights. It's risk, but it's adjusted risk. Edo's got really a lot of new developments.
Yeah, that's an emerging investment area. There's a lot of potential there.
All the urban areas, there's high demand. The strong rental yields are expected. Yeah, there's a lot of infrastructure improvements, a lot of freeways.
Yeah, this is boosting the appeal.
Big
This is
time.
definitely happening. Tier 1 is going to be high growth and moderate risk areas. Let's talk about those.
Like the Heights, Washington area. They're always doing stuff there. A lot of social things going on. A lot of parks in that area per capita.
Yeah, Memorial Heights, Washington is really a high growth entry point. The price there, the actual usual after repair value we're looking at is $450,000, like $650, and the rents there are like $2.80 to $3.50 a square foot. So for 2026 growth, it's expected to be 5 to 7%.
It's a little expensive to get in over there, but you as long as you leverage your investing, you'll be fine.
Yes, solid growth potential. That's what.
Well, what about Edo? I know they're doing a whole lot of construction, a whole lot of rebuilding out there.
Yeah, it's an emerging
A lot of
market.
construction.
It really has high potential. It's a high growth target. The prices you're looking at like $350 to like $500. The rest are like $250 to $3 a square foot. So
Yeah.
the 2026 growth, they're looking at like 6 to 8%.
A lot of stuff going on in East Downtown. Whole lot of really cool stuff.
Yeah.
The other one is the next tier is the high upside, higher risk areas. A little bit higher risk there, Linda. You think maybe it's the location? I know it's kind of near pollution and stuff like that. Harrisburg it's transitioning, but what do you think?
Well, there's a lot of opportunity for you to add value and create better opportunities. So Harrisburg and East End has entry price lower, so that
No,
provides a wider opportunity for people to get in because there's some of the entry prices like 180 to 280, and the 2026 growth is like performing well, like 7 to 9%. That's what's projected. So the ideal for add value multifamily investments, balancing the low entry cost with a high return.
there's a lot of little duplexes
Potential.
out there and a lot of little multifamilies out there. You can really do pretty good.
Yeah.
The Greater Greens Point, just kind of dual
Yeah,
income.
a lot of people been sleeping on Greenspoint.
Yeah, a lot of people sleeping on Greenspoint because they used to call it Guns Point. That's
We
why.
weren't supposed to say that. But anyway, I didn't say that. But Greater Greenspoint dual income strategy. Entry prices there like 200,000 to 300,000. You should really focus on single family residence and corporate housing there because it's so near to what? Tell them
Yeah.
it's near the
It's
airport.
right near the airport. A lot of single family rentals over there. A lot of Airbnbs going on over there. Yeah, because they're so close to the airport. Yeah.
And corporate housing, things like that. So it's ideal for enhancing your cash flow.
Mm-hmm. So cash flow areas that we
Speaking of
like to
cash
focus
flow.
on. Cash flow. I ain't never getting cash flow. I live in Sharpstown. There's not a lot of vacancies out there. There's a strong demand. The entry price is around 150 to 200 for for a place already fixed up.
Yeah, it's built for stable cash flow investing. Yeah, cash flow focused investing.
Definitely. Now, Pasadena and Deer Park, I know a lot about that area. I grew up over there and right on the border.
Yeah.
I live behind the Goodyear plant. So a whole lot of refineries, a lot of industry there. That means lots of jobs and lots of good money.
Yeah.
So there's good over there. There's low vacancies out that way.
Yeah, for rentals.
Oh, definitely. Rentals, and I made some of the best money on my flips out there in Pasadena.
Oh, yeah.
It's really
like
out there.
200,000 or 300,000 for those houses, and occupancy is like 95% and above.
Yeah.
So
the closer you get to Deer Park, it kind of goes up in price, then dips a little in LaPorte, then picks back up when you get closer to Webster.
Yeah.
So
the drivers for this is really the strong energy employment there and the port employment.
Oh yeah, and in Webster, a lot of people don't know this. Most of Webster is business. It's more businesses than there are houses out there.
Almost, it seems that way. Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to overview the strategies. I think that I like this quote, investors are advised to prioritize strategies that offer adjusted returns. Buy and hold, fix and flip. They all prove significant long-term gains and opportunities for quick profits. Quote, risk-adjusted returns focused magazine, I suppose. So you want to tell them a little bit about how we work together?
Yeah, we equip investors to win in Houston and beyond.
Yeah.
We're located in Houston, but we go beyond insights. We actually provide direct pathways through coaching programs and joint venture opportunities. We've been doing this for years.
Yes, we do consulting. We offer a wide array of products and services. We just really want to help our local investor market and get new investors up and running.
Yeah. This might be something that would be of interest to you. You can get more information at our website as queenofforeclosure.com. There's a link below. So I will look forward to talking to you. You get our contact information. And we have a number of free opportunities for upcoming events. So I check our website. And so I'd love to see you as well.
We have master level events. I mean, I'm telling you, our classes, we want to make sure that when you leave, you have actionable things that you can leave there and make money with right when you walk out the door.
Yep, that's exactly. So we know what you need and we can get it for you. So, okay, happy investing.
Happy investing. Bye-bye.